Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone randomly dimming screen. This is usually caused by an auto brightness or iOS software bug. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then power button, slide to power off, then turn back on. This clears temporary glitch. Step 2. Turn off auto brightness. Go to settings, then display and brightness, then accessibility, then display and text size. Scroll down, turn off auto brightness. This is the most common fix for random dimming. Step 3. Display true tone. Go to settings, then display and brightness, then turn off True Tone. True Tone can cause brightness change after updates. Step 4. Check low power mode. Go to settings, then battery, turn off low power mode. Low power mode automatically dims the screen. Step 5. Turn off reduce white point. Go to settings, then accessibility, then display and text size, then turn off reduce white point. Step 6. Update iOS. Open settings, then general, then software update. Install any available updates. Bug 6. After update included in updates from Apple. If your screen still dims, your ambient light sensor might be faulty. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. And that's it. Your iPhone random dimming issue should be fixed now. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.